Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Yogesh from Kunwarlab.com. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the simple drop down list on a cell of Microsoft Excel. So this function is going to be very useful for you because this can be used to limit the choices for selection with the simple drop down list. So let's go with the steps to create this function. So first create the list of the items which you want to add into the drop down list. So I'm creating my own list. So I have created my own list. I want to add this days to my drop down list, and I want to add the drop down list in this cell. So go to data tab and click data validation. In the allow field select list, and in the source field just click source field and select the list which you created before. Just select that and click OK. Okay, you can see here all the selections are showing here in the drop down. So you are all set with the drop down creation. After creating the drop down, your user only can select options from the drop down. So if they try to enter the other data, then it will show an error like this. Okay, it is showing error. This value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So you can only select these options. And other thing is, you can copy and paste the drop down in any other cell. Here you can see I have copied the drop down in other cells. You can select as per your requirement. Okay, so you can create as many as drop down lists as per your requirement in a matter of seconds. Alright, hope you enjoy this video. If you don't, hit the dislike button guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.